All right, the Wirus Win little bitty cute exhaust, stock exhaust, jacked it up. Let's take a video before. Let's use the right key. Little rattle. Yay. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. So they're size 12, or they used to be before the elements did whatever. I got that one pretty loose. This one is gonna be fun. I gotta bend that shield up. There we go. Oh Lord, come on. Got him, coach. Oh. Dude, this thing's gotta weigh 40 or 50 pounds. So dumb. All right, that one's going on here. So there's that old muffler. There's the new muffler. Let's see what this sucker sounds like. It's lower. I like it already. It's a lower note. Let's see. Okay, I'm a fan.